you doing? Boys and lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howells.
Ow! Just call me Hank, folks.
Our Southern belle, Henrietta Hatpin.
Why, it surely is lovely to see y'all, boy.
Antonio Vermicelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, Chianti.
What
is he talking about there? Y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. The truth is, he was born in Nebraska.
Oh, but he thinks he's Italian, no.
It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings, he sounds just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And Dundee.
And here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses from my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Hey, this is pretty marvelous. Silly. Is that you, Tony?
Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Sure didn't sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.